Okay, what is it? What's the story?
Mickey's going camping.
Okay, Mickey's going camping.
Mickey's going camping.
While we eat breakfast.
And he's making his tent.
Oh, he's going to put up his tent?
Mm-hmm.
Are his friends going?
Yeah. Mickey, Pluto.
Looks like Minnie, Daisy, Donald, Pluto, Goofy,
wait,
and
Minnie,
Pete.
Daisy, Donald, Goofy.
That's Goofy. That's Pluto.
Pluto and Goofy
and Pete. Are going camping. Is everybody ready? Don't forget the tents.
Oh no, our stick is too big.
Oh, the tent pole's too big, huh?
Ow. Little woodpecker.
What's the woodpecker gonna do?
He's pecking it.
Pecking the pole? Oh, to make it shorter? Okay.
And I'm gonna make it shorter. And Pluto's, that's what that.